Mugunda mukuru ndwagaga umatho ona riu kumite muno makiria ihinda-ini riri ria coronavirus haria urokaga uthii uroke ndungiaga kanyamu na uhahe gitio. Umuthi ni muthenya uria tukoragwo tugikungwira arata niyo itagwo best friend day, na tondu wi murata wakwa mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ni ndagukungwira na ndakunyita ugeni muno makiria. Maya ni mohoro gitau ngumenyithie uria bururi uhana. Njitagwo Mumbi wa Wanyoike na mwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Wagaki wa Muthoni, na tukiambiriria tuguthie nginya gicua-ini kuria mihango ya kiwonjoria ithiete na mbere na kwarahuka weru itura-ini ria Old Town thutha wa kuhingurwo gwa itura riri ni President Uhuru Kenyatta muthia-ini wa kiumia githiru. Mwandiki witu Ndegwa wa Gathungu athiete na mbere na kurumanirira uria maundu maraumira guku. Riu reke tunyitanire nake. Ndegwa, ngwihoka ni uranyamukira wega kuma mwena ucio wa Old Town riria ndotwire hari uri na wire mwiroreri wa Kameme TV uria mihango irathie na mbere gicua-ini kana Old Town.
Thank you muno Mumbi wa Wanyoike wiko studio gathi na mbere na kunyamukira na njira njega muno makiria kuma mwena wa gicua-ini na makiria ni thiini wa county ya Mombatha. Na taugo wagweta ni ati de itura-ini ria Old Town na ni tukuririkana ati itura riri ria Old Town rirari thiini wa muhingo ni riekiritwo lockdown makiria kwi thiku 30 niguo thirikari ikorwo ikihurana na utheremu wa homa ya coronavirus. Nitwe ati namba ya aria mekiragwo mukonde gukorwo na homa ino ni akoretwo igithie iguru muno makiria mweri-ini umwe muhetuku ugo. Na muthenya wa umuthi ni ati aikari o hamwe na onjoria thiini wa itura riri ria Old Town mari na gikeno kuona ati mutongoria wa bururi muthenya wa Jumamothi ni arikirie kuga ati muhingo ucio no wakinya muthia muthenya wa ira, na ugo umuthi ni macokereirie biashara. Na ungekorwo muhuri wa bica no akuonie ni ati thogore kana duka ni ihinguritwo muthenya wa umuthi, onjoria magithie na mbere na mawira mao o hamwe na aguri magiuka hihi kwi mathira kana kuoya indo iria marabatarania. Na ningwenda tunyitanire na umwe wa onjoria aria mendagia indo guku mwena uyu wa Marigiti nake akorwo agitwira. Ngwenda wambiririe na maritwa na utwire umuthi ni mucokereirie thogore cianyu hihi kuhana atia?
Maritwa njitagwo Julius Gachi, ndi muhuri wa biashara Old Town, gorofa itagwo Bawazil. Na umuthi niguo twacokereria tondu kuma ira niguo turakihinguriirwo, no umuthi niguo tugwikaga mikakati ya guthambia maduka na tukikaga mikakati ya kuiga mai na nituthiite na mikakati ya gwikira mask na gu sanitize ateja aria maroka duka-ini. No nitukoretwo tu affectetwo muno muturire tondu ni undu tutehariirie gukorwo tugikorwo tutekuruta wira thikũ 30 nitukoretwo tugithumbuka na nitukoretwo turi andu ahinyiriku thiini wa muturire tondu ona andu turarutaga mawira maria matari maitu tondu turakihingirwo duka tugakorwo tutire na handu turaruta. No riu nitucokereirie no turie thirikari igerie kuturora tondu ona andu aria aingi aria tutegemeaga customer aria tutegemeaga tia Mombatha muno, nitutegemeaga customer kuma Kware, nitutegemeaga customer kuma Kilifi. Koguo no turie onoko megutuhingurira Kware na Kilifi matuhingurire nigetha wonjoria uthie na mbere tondu niturari na handu haritu na niturona maisha no guthi marathi magithukaga. No turie pia thirikari iturore muno aingi itu tondu turutaga ringi biashara ringi na mabengi nitukoretwo tuhinyiririkite muno tondu na maroni ni maremete kurihika. Koguo no turie thirikari ithie na mbere na guturora iturore nigetha tuhote gucokereria miturire itu ya kawaida.
Thank you muno ni kwaraniria na ithu haha Kameme TV. Toguo waigua ni ati onjoria a indo itiganite ni mathiete na mbere na kuruhia. No mwena uyu ungikorwo muhuri wa bica no akuonie ni ati ino ni thoko ya Marigiti iria yendagio indo ta indo cia kuria, indo ta mboga, waru na indo ingi iria ihuthagirwo micii ire cia kuria. No utoguo rona thoko ino ndiri irahingurwo umuthi kuona ati kuri na waki weru wa thoko ino urathie na mbere. Koguo aria mahuragira biashara thoko-ini ino matinahota gucokereria ona thengia wa thirikari kuruta lockdown ino itura-ini riri ria Old Town. na riu kahinda-ini gaka ni ngwenda tunyitanire na chairman kana muikariri giti wa onjoria a thoko ino ya marigiti iria yendagio irio nake atutaririe kuona riu matinacokereria na makoretwo mari makakuhi thiku 30 megutacukia makinya mariku miturire yao ihana atia. Na asante sana kwa kuungana nasi hapa Kameme TV. Najua ya kwamba mmekuwa katika mfungo, hii eneo limekuwa imefunguliwa, lakini hamjaweza kurudi katika soko. Tueleze.
Kwa majina kamili ni Chairman Mohamed Alo Makinon Market. Tunashukuru rais siku ya Jumapili alitoa lockdown ya Old Town, na sasa hii upande wa Old Town uko huru, lakini sisi wafanyaji biashara wa Makinon Market bado hatujarudi ndani ya soko. Kulingana kulikuwa kuna marekebisho tulifanyiwa na governor wetu Ali Hassan Joho 001 wa kaunti ya Mombasa, na ukarabati unaendelea bado. Ndani ngao umemalizika, lakini nje bado tunaona mafundi bado wanaendelea na barabara. Kwa hivyo tutasubiri sisi kutoka juu, ngazi za juu ya kaunti watupe taarifa kwamba tutarudi lini sokoni.
Na pengine wauzaji katika hii soko kwa wakati huu, na huo muda umeisha wa siku takriban 30 hivi, pengine wamefanyia biashara kwingine ama wamekuwa katika maeneo ya kukaa manyumbani?
Baadhi ya wafanyabiashara wa soko hizi tatu, soko ya mboga, nyama na kuku, wingi waliobaki majumbani kulingana walikoko hawajazoea biashara za kuku ya mitaani ama biashara za mikokoteni. Kwa hivyo baadhi ya wafanyabiashara walipata sehemu wakafanya biashara zao, na baadhi walibaki manyumbani. Na mimi na kamati yangu tukabaki sokoni kusimamia ujenzi na kuangalia hali ya soko imerudi kama kawaida vile ilivyokuwa. Na tutashukuru sasa hii kaunti wametengenezea na soko iko hali nzuri vile ilivyokuwa mwanzo, na tuangojea barabara imalizike tupate taarifa kutoka kwa kaunti ili turudi ndani. Tunashukuru sana kaunti na gavana wetu kwa kutengenezea soko letu kurudi hali yake ya kawaida. Kwa hivyo tuomba iwe haraka upesi ili turudi tufanye biashara zetu kama tulivyokuwa tukifanya hali kabla ya lockdown kutokea.
Asante sana kwa kuongea nasi hapa Kameme TV. Mobi wa Wanyoike no waigwa amwe mari na gikeno gya kuruhia makiuga ati ni macokereria biashara ciao, no endia na aria mendagia indo cia kuria ta nyama o hamwe na mboga matire maracokereria kuona ati kuri na waki weru wa thoko ino kana nyumba ino ya marikiti ni yoikaine ta Makinon Market na yoikaine ta marikiti. Koguo maya no mamwe ma maundu maria turathii na mbere na kurora mwena uyu wa gicua-ini makiria kaunti ya Mombasa, niguo tuone maundu uria marathii na mbere na kwigariura. Utangikorwo na kiuria njokie mwaro kuri we kuma guku kaunti 001. Ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.
Ngatho muno Ndegwa wa Gathungu, ngakihoka ni ugukorwo na ni uguthie na mbere na gutucariria riboti ingi ni uguturehera thiini wa mohoro maitu mahwa-ini. Mucirithania munene David Maraga nyokireire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga niwe ucungiriirie muhatikano munene wa macira magoti-ini kumana na itua riake ria kurega kwamura acirithania eru 41 na aria mendekithitio ni kamiti ya kuramata magoti ya JSC. Akiaria na maruru maingi nja ya igoti karu, Maraga ni atariirie kigiriko giake kuona kamiti ya JSC undumwe na igoti ni ciakinyaniirie acirithania acio eru mamurwo indi nginyagia umuthi matire mamurwo ona thengia wa igoti gwathana undu ucio uhanike. Maraga ningi augite ni ageretie njira ciothe gucaria uria angiunanira njung'wa na mutongoria wa bururi indi gukaringa ihiga akiuga riu ndari na wiki otiga kumwariria kugerera nyumba-ini cia mohoro.
It is important to clearly and categorically state that this shortage of judges and the near paralysis of court operations has been caused by the President's refusal to swear in the 41 judges recommended by the Judicial Service Commission in July 2019 for appointment to the Court of Appeal, the Environment and Land Court, and the Employment and Labor Relations Court. The President has persisted in this refusal despite orders in 2 cases requiring him to swear those judges within 14 days. Your Excellency, You know I have respect for you as our president, and I have told you that. You also know that I have, for a long time now, unsuccessfully sought an appointment to discuss this issue with you, leaving me with no option but to raise the matter through this public statement. It will be a dereliction of my duty if I do not raise Wanjiku's agonies in my domain. At least let her know that I share in her frustrations. It is for this reason that I must remind you, Your Excellency, that you swore to defend and uphold the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. The Constitution, as the two multi-judge court cases held, requires you to appoint judges recommended to you by the JSC, which you have refused to do. The laws of this country include valid court orders. It therefore behoves you to appoint the 41 judges recommended for appointment by the JSC as ordered by the court without any further delay.
Ucio nĩ mũcirithania mũnene David Maraga. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere kũrũmĩrĩra mogarũrũku marĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere thĩinĩ wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri makĩhutia kĩama kĩa Jubilee, mũhũri wa mũcarica bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri wa Ngwe nĩararĩrĩria ndeto ya mogarũrũku maya. Reke rĩu tũthikĩrĩrie.
On behalf of myself and that of my constituency, I want to thank His Excellency the President and the party leader of Jubilee Party for giving me this chance to serve in the House as the Majority Whip. I also want to thank my colleagues who endorsed my election at State House to be their whip in the House. Mine is to say I'll endeavor to serve them. I'll serve at the direction of the party leader and Jubilee Party. This is a great honor to myself and to the people of Navaholo that I'm able to serve in this August House as the Chief Whip Majority Party. For today, I wish just to make one communication. There has been a circulation on media about the meeting to take place at Jubilee headquarters. That has been true. The message came from me, and it was intended to whip members to go and resolve an issue which they had. But after consulting and in consultation with the party leader, it has been decided that the SG will communicate to the members in the near future when that meeting will take place. Therefore, I take this earliest moment to say that the meeting has been rescheduled from today to a date very soon, as it will be directed by the leadership of the party. Otherwise, I'm grateful and I wish to work with every stakeholder in making sure that the agenda of the President, the Big Four agenda, the 8 principal points that the President has set in place, I wish to work together with the majority leadership of the House, the House Speaker, to make sure that my colleagues are advised on time as to when and where they'll be, so that we fulfill the agenda of the Jubilee Party. Thank you so much.
Ucio nĩ mũhũri mũcarica wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee akĩarĩrĩria mogarũrũku marĩa makoretwo kuo kĩama-inĩ kĩu, akiuga ũrĩa gũgũthiĩ na mbere thikũ cigũka. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, thirikari nĩ yũrĩtio kwĩharĩrĩria kwandĩka wĩra maabitha a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩguo gũkorwo makĩnyitĩrĩra mwaro thĩinĩ wa ceceni cia keheri, kuona rĩu o kaunti ĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩharĩrĩirie itanda itanyihĩire 300 ceceni-inĩ cia kũhũrana na mũrimũ wa coronavirus. Kũringana na ngwatanĩro ya ataaramu a ũrigitani KMPDU, kũharĩrĩria ceceni ici ti kũiganu, oho makĩũria thirikari ĩtigĩrĩre maabitha a ũrigitani nĩ magitirwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire, amu namba ya arĩa magwatĩtio mũrimũ wa coronavirus no ĩrathiĩ na mbere kuongerereka.
With the directive of the President to set up a 300-bed capacity facility, we have to remember one thing, that capacity, the 300-bed capacity facility, It's not just the building, it's not just the beds, it slightly goes beyond that to take care of the workers who will be working there. And that's why our position is, as you set up those facilities, make sure you have matching numbers of healthcare workers who are going to work there. So make sure you have doctors there, make sure you have nurses there, make sure you have lab technicians there across all cadres. We don't want a case where you have a building, you have a facility, but we don't have people to work there.
We have the projections that each 300-bed facility will require in terms of human resources for health. 636 doctors, 1,000 nurses, 360 clinical officers, 572 laboratory personnel, among other personnel, including porters, morticians, cleaners. And so we appeal to the summit as it convenes to consider further budgetary allocations for the HRH component. And we acknowledge that so far 8,000 have been hired, but these projections that we have to ensure that there is quality and efficient service delivery in the isolation facilities is an additional 5,000. We still advocate for provision of adequate and quality personal protective equipment. And today we'd like to state the data of healthcare workers who've been infected with COVID-19 since we began. This data is the latest we have as of end of the week, last week. A total of 81 healthcare workers across different areas in this country. And 60% of these healthcare worker infections are workplace related. That is in the quarantine centers and contact with COVID-19 patients in the hospitals, either knowingly or unknowingly. And by unknowingly, I mean a patient comes with symptoms, you attend the patient, and when the results come back later, the patient has tested positive. Even patients undergoing emergency surgical treatment, elective surgical procedures, are now a risk factor to healthcare workers.
Tugithie riu nginya riboti-ini ya Wambui wa Maina ni ati muingi itura-ini ria Kayole guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni matetete ni kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri no ni thutha wa mwanake umwe guthecangwo na kahiu na gukua ni undu wa guthitanga gikundi kiria kirekuirwo gukorwo ari kia Gaza ni undu wa gutabania uici. Riu ni moriti honge cia ugitiri kuingirira ndeto eno na kwaga uguo ni mekuoya watho moko-ini mao. Wambui wa Maina ena riboti ino makiria.
Ni mururungano wa aikari a itura ria Kayole magitete ni kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia wikinaĩ mwena uyu. Muingi uyu ugite gikundi giki kiria gikurikanite ta Gaza ikoretwo muno gikirongoreria gutunyana thimu undu umwe na gufunja nyumba na kuiya indo ciao.
Tumekuwa na insecurity sana na siku ya Wednesday vijana wakaiba baiskeli, walipoiba wakapatikana na wakaachiliwa, haueleweki venye kulienda, lakini wakakuja kulivage. Na vile inaonekana hawa vijana wanataka kulivage, yani wanataka kutuweka uoga. Atu watakuwa wakichukua vitu zetu, wakishachukua tunaachilia wanaenda. Maana huyo jamani kumshika tu alimshika, hakumuguza na imemkosi uhai wake na amekufa usiku wa leo.
Icaikuhe kurerikana gikundi giki kiratharikire mwanake umwe na kumuthecanga na kahiu thutha wa kumathitanga ni gutabania uici wa muithikiri mwena uyu.
Unajua hata huyu chifu mwenyewe ni mgeni kabisa. Ni kama amekuja na hii COVID. Kwa hivyo ni kama pia yeye hajaelewa Kayole. Inafaa zunguke Kayole zote pande zote. Hapo nyuma ya chifu ndio kwanza hata changa inapikwa. Hapo nyuma tu nyuma ya chifu. changa inapikiwa hapo na huyo chief hajafika mpaka hapo. Kwa hivyo kazi yake haifanye vile inafaa. Azunguke Kayole yote akijua mashimo zote za wakora mahali ziko.
Reu ni morĩtie thirikari kũingĩrĩra ndeto ĩno kuona ona ekina ya maikio ngono marekagĩrĩrio na njĩra ĩrĩ kĩriga gũkũ makiuga ikinya rĩa kĩwatho rĩaga gũkinyũkio nĩmegũkorwo makĩoya watho moko-inĩ mao.
Chifu anafaa kuwa nyumbani. Kazi yake ni gani? Unaachilia mwizi namna gani? Juu hapa ni EP camp. Wacha hii mambo tunaambiwa ati nini? Hapa ni EP camp. Sio na ripoti kwa chief. Alikuwa anafanya namna gani?
MCA wa itura rĩrĩ Jeremia Demethio nĩorĩtie honge cia ũgitĩri kũgacĩrithia mwena ũyũ kuona mĩtũrĩre ya aikari ĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ.
Hatuwezi kupatia mikora nafasi ati wakue ama hawa guns ndio wanaweza kuwa wanatawala hii sehemu yetu, na hatuwezi kuruhusu wawe wakikuja wanafanya kitu inaitwa revenge, wanaua mwananchi ambaye hana hatia, na shida tu ni kusema alikuwa naiba baiskeli ya kijana mtoto fulani.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Maina.
Gikundi gĩa gũthaitĩra ng'aragu bũrũri-inĩ nĩkĩheanĩte ũteithio wa irio cia mũigana wa mirioni 12.5 kũrĩ bamĩrĩ iria itehotete kaunti-inĩ ya West Pokot ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na kambuni ya Gĩitariano nĩguo kũhĩtana na thĩna ũrĩa umanĩte na mũrimũ wa COVID-19. Ũteithio ũyũ ũraheanirwo nĩ mwandĩki mũkaru wa ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya Mika Powen. Onakuo kaunti-inĩ ya Samburu matũra mamwe nĩ mahetwo ũteithio wa irio kũrĩ bamĩrĩ itanyihĩire 200 iria ihinyĩrĩrĩkĩte. Jerry wa Wambui ena riboti ĩno makĩria.
Mika Powen ũrĩa nĩ mwandĩki mũkaru wa ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya augĩte atĩ ikereka rĩa mbere mekũheana mĩhuko ya mbembe 2,000 oro ũndũ ũmwe na mĩhuko ya mboco 280.
Kwanza kushukuru the Italian Corporation for their donation. Wametoa shilingi milioni 12 na laki 5.
Na kũringana na kamishna wa kaunti ĩno nĩ makiri ma andũ magomeirwo nĩ matuĩko ũhoro ũrĩa ũkindĩrĩtwo nĩ gavana wa kaunti ĩno John Lunyangapuo.
Pia wale ambao wako katika nyanda za juu wako na shida ya chakula, so itafika kila ward ya West Pokot County.
Wiki hii operation ya kusaidia wale ambao wajiwezi kutumia hiyo chakula ambayo tulipewa na watu ya AIC Kijabe, ndio tumekuwa tukipeana. Ramaket wamepewa yao, Kaka Market, widows and orphans wenye wanaishi hapa kama Bendera.
Ona kuo kaunti-inĩ ya Samburu maũndũ matirĩ ngũrani kũrĩa mũndũ wa wendi mwega ateithĩrĩirie icagi cia Ngarĩ, Rendero oro ũndũ ũmwe na Mori Joy kũrĩa bamĩrĩ itanyihĩire 200 na iria ihinyĩrĩrĩkĩte ciamũkĩrĩte ũteithio wa irio.
Ukitaka baraka lazima ujitolee, ujifinye, ujinyime hata ndio mwingine apate. Ndio maana sisi tumejitolea na ndugu yangu na mandugu zangu na familia yetu tukajitolea, tukanunua chakula, watu wakashiba na wakafurahia.
Na kuo kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga mũciĩ ũmwe wa ciana wamũkĩrĩte ũteithio wa irio kuma kũrĩ maabitha borithi, ũndũ ũrĩa ũterĩgĩte kũhanĩka.
Maofisa wetu hapa wa Nguru walijipanga wakasanya kidogo, pesa kidogo ile walikuwa wanaweza kupata kujinyima ili waweze kukumbuka watoto hawa.
Maabitha ya mũciĩ wa Wanguru macereire mũciĩ wa ciana wa Ngurubani gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwea makiuga atĩ aingĩ ao maroraga igũrũ ũteithio kuma kũrĩ andũ a wendi mwega oro ũndũ ũmwe na makanitha.
Wananchi wasifikirie polisi ni watu wabaya tu. Polisi ni watu wazuri, wanaweza saidiana na ninyi, na hii ni moja wapo ya njia ya kuonyesha ya kwamba polisi wako na utu ndani yao.
Mimi yangu ni kuwaombea na ninawaombeanga.
Munini wa komishna gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwea irathĩro augĩte atĩ mĩciĩ mĩingĩ ya ciana rĩu nĩrĩkĩtie gũtiganĩrio, na oho akauga atĩ ciĩko ta ici cia maabitha aya nĩcio ciagĩrĩire. kũribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Jerry wa Wambui.
Ngatho mũno Jerry wa Wambui. Tuthie na mbere, muingi wa kaunti ya Kajiado ni imwe ya iria ikugunĩka na mitu iria heanĩtwo ni kambuni imwe thĩinĩ wa kaunti 10. Kambuni ya Capwell iria heanĩte kĩgĩna kĩa mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 20 kũrĩ kambuni kana kũrĩ kamĩtĩ ya gĩbũrũri ya kũhĩtana na mũrimũ wa COVID-19 ĩmũrĩkĩte kaunti 10 iria cirĩ na andũ arĩa magũmĩirwo nĩ ũritũ wa mũrimũ ũyũ na njĩra nene. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu kambuni ĩno yugĩte nĩ yambĩte mĩtaratara ya kũrigĩrĩria tũrĩa nĩme tũrĩa tũkoragwo kwanjĩrĩria kwendia mũtu ũyũ ũrĩa maraheana na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mũtu ũcio wa tũhũ nĩ ũrakinyĩra andũ arĩa mabatiĩ kũgunĩka nĩguo.
Hope that this donation will be able to reach to the people who have really been affected by this disaster, and we hope even to partner more with the counties in doing other things, because this is part of our market where we do where we do sell our products. We are not also in the milling of maize, we are also in rice, we are also in pulses, so Kajiado is one very important market for us. The way we have packaged them is in a way that they cannot be sold. They cannot be sold. We have actually put a mark there where it's not for sale, so no one should be able to sell this, and we believe that the committee also that is organizing for distribution of these products at the county level, they will organize in such a way that this food will be able to reach the people who have really been affected by this disease. Vulnerable members of our community, with the extension of lockdown, the pangs of hunger continue to increase day by day. We know Kajiado is among the counties that are most hit. You know, those who depends on livestock markets, they are never able to sell their animals. Businesses are never yielding, and therefore we really appreciate any partner, any individual who gives towards helping our people. Jinsi watu hawawezi kufanya biashara yao ya kila siku, ndivyo uhitaji unaongezeka. Kwa hivyo kama tulikuwa na watu 100,000 ambao wana uhitaji sana, hiyo idadi inaongezeka kila siku kulingana na vile biashara inazidi kuzoroteka na watu hawawezi wenda kujifanyia kazi.
Hau niho tũgũtirihĩra mohoro maitũ momothĩ, ngacokeria ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa ũnyitanĩri waku, no ririkane atĩ ũndũ ũrĩa wothe ũrĩkaga wĩkage na ngoro yaku yothe tarĩ mwathani ũrarutĩra wĩra no ti mũndũ. Niĩ ngetwo Mũmbi wa Wanyoike na mwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko Wagaki wa Mũthoni, gĩa na mĩaraho mĩega no ririkane wĩ wa bata.